Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, a daily segment now. Very exciting. A daily segment where I break down the best subscription signups out there. So to see what do's and don'ts we can learn for our own subscription websites. Today I'm looking at Vinyl Me Please, and Vinyl Me Please is built on Shopify, and I'm actually not 100% sure what subscription app they're using. They have a very custom flow, which some parts I love, some parts I'm not a huge fan of, but we'll dive into all of it right now to see what we can learn when building our own sites. So let's kick it off right off the hop. And generally, I follow a framework that whenever I use and whenever we design our subscription sign-up flows at GSA, we look at three big pillars: brand, product, and trust. I've coined it brand, product, trust. Here we go. So really what we're looking for is, can we find good brand drivers? Who is this for? Is this for me, and what does it do? What does this company do? What does this product that I'm about to buy do, and is it for me? And finally, how can you verify these claims? How can I trust you? What if I'm not sure yet? So generally, and we're looking for drivers and barriers to each of the three. So let's start at the very, very top, and this is the very key message on your homepage at the top banner is, what is your brand positioning, and are you driving good brand value? So VMP does a very, very common thing on this, on their homepage banner, and they're driving seasonal promotions, but not necessarily what is Vinyl Me Please. What makes them different from any other website, and am I in the right place? So the July records of the month, so we see pictures of records, and the product photography is not, basically I actually don't like overlay text on product images because it distracts you from both. It's not a clear focus on text or not a clear focus on images either. And I also am not a big fan at all, or actually I really dislike or image carousels on the homepage banner. First of all, carousels like this, 95% of users will never see more than one slide, and they're definitely not going to see your third slide. So it kind of feels like, hey, everybody on the team, we had a meeting and everybody on the team thought that something is important, and we just kind of put it all in there, and maybe the boss said that this should be on the very first page. But at the end of the day, it actually does a disservice to both the first message and all of the pieces and all of the messages following. So what I would say for your homepage banner, what you should be doing, Vinyl Me Please peeps, is solidifying a very clear brand positioning statement. Vinyl Me Please is the best vinyl record subscription delivered monthly, something like that. Or the best subscription for people looking to experience their music, not just listen to it, something like that. So you know what I mean? Who is it for? What does it do? And then a call to action. Get started. See our plan. See July rottens. I'm kind of stumped by that. Not a great start for this massive, awesome brand. They're doing great things. So sign up now. Sign up to Rock. Get 3x. All I really want to do is basically look at their club. So there's records of the month, and then they just join the club. I'm really looking for their membership club. So right now they're having a lot. Also, let's keep looking down their homepage. They're having a lot of different names for record of the month, join the club, membership. Is this all about the same thing? I'm still a little confused. I do really like this product photography. Again, they have awesome photos, and they have they have awesome product photography. So glad that they're using that. Refer a friend. This is terrible already. Like, I don't even know what you do yet, and don't ask for people for referrals on your homepage. This, unless you know. Don't put it here. Like your repeat customers, especially, put it somewhere for repeat customers on another page. Put it in their subscription portal. Put it into like a private collection somewhere, but don't do that. So they've got a bunch of promos here. So they've got some pre-orders that they're trying to drive, but fundamentally, So is this the rock club? I just want to join their club. So so let's try their homepage banner. So these are just okay, so now it tells me to join the club. It's really, really confusing. So it directed me to the /account page, and oh man, this is a bit of a mess. You have this scrolling carousel of pop-ups that is really distracting and doesn't actually deliver much. 10 years to join, basically celebrate 10 years with us, join, reactivate, or renew, get up to 8 bonus records. I'd really wish this was targeted. If I was logged in, maybe this would be it. But let's say I'm interested in joining, but there's just way too much going on. One bar, 2 bars, nav bar, sub nav bar, and then another announcement bar. This is way crazy. Okay, let's go back and let's just simply see let's click join the club, because I would imagine that's where you would go. Now, so very still, the brand proposition of why would I want to join the club is very unclear to me. Okay, join the club. Exclusive record delivery monthly, starting 36, shipping is free. Change tracks, swap records each month, cancel anytime. So again, we're kind of now seeing brand product trust drivers, so all of them. Exclusive is part of the club appeal. Is that the only appeal? I'm curious. What else is there? So get up to 8 records. Get up to 8 records for the love. Huh? Oh, okay. As in, like, after I show them the love for getting started. Sign up for 3 months. Get 3 records plus 1 bonus. 6 records plus 6 bonus plus 3. This is from Trust and Clarity of Pricing. Trust Factor, this pricing seems confusing, and you'll see what I mean. And also, I understand that they're trying to show a lot of different artists and styles, but this doesn't really sell the product that well. Again, coming back to asking for price before you really understand what you're buying. But I'm hoping that when I click Get Started, then maybe will show me something that I like. Now, when I click Get Started, choose from 5 tracks, or choose from these 5 tracks. So it's kind of annoying because track to me also means like a music track. So it's like, is it 5 songs? Are these like single song, like singles, or is this? So that would be a nomenclature thing. But again, really, really distracting top bar. Let's see if we can. Okay, so we can kill off some of that. Let's see if we can. Okay, so basically, join means join. Okay, good. So this just told me that join the club, get started, up to 8 records. So this just gave me a promo on price. Even before, again, it drove to tell me that, hey, this is what you get exclusively with us. So still really lagging on product value or brand value, I'll be honest. And it's such a cool story too. I highly recommend, the founder of Vinyl Me Please was on, and they have a really good ear for member feedback. I highly recommend one of his podcasts when he was on Masters of Scale. Either that, or if you just look up Vinyl Me Please subscription podcast in your podcast app, you'll find it. They have a really great ear for listening to their members and their club members. They built this exclusive community for them. They're listening to feedback. They're like, hey, what did you like about this? So they're constantly looking for loyal subscriber feedback, which is very, very key for a growing subscription brand. I'll repeat that again. Listen to your most loyal subscribers. Define the most loyal subscriber cohort. These people spend 80%, like 3 to 10x more than any other customer, and they should be your bullseye audience that you're trying to please. So talk to them, know who they are, know where they live, talk to them, call them, be on group chats with them. Anyway, that's a side note. Back to Vinyl Me Please. Still not super clear on why would I just not buy this record. For example, I'm a fan of the Strokes. I love the Strokes. And why wouldn't I just buy this record? So, Celebrating the World, Okay. Celebrating the world-changing genre of rock. Each month you'll get a deluxe edition vinyl. Okay. Listening notes booklet. So every track gets the same thing. Is it different? So before I click join this track, I kind of want more details. Like I want, what else am I getting other than this track? If I click more details, now here's what I don't like about the redirect to a different page. Because if I want to go back and see, okay, well, I was debating kind of between two different options. Still don't know which one I want. So, okay, so there's a video coming up here, and they're showing me, well, we've got some Strokes. And great record, by the way. Okay, so we've got that. So it's okay, so if I'm joining this, all I'm seeing is, okay, so I have a track list. I know, yeah, this is the band, by the numbers, record of the month. This is a lot of info, I'll be honest, that I don't really want about the, like, I want to know what I get, but this is not, I want to know the product details. What am I getting in the mail? What am I getting every month? So this is kind of hard to find. And if I click join the club, it actually asks me, okay, doesn't give me any more details. So product drivers are still kind of limited. I understand that I'm getting a record, and this is kind of a very standard add, almost like if you actually think about it. This page is a very standard add to cart page, or sorry, product page, product display page. Left-hand side is for media, right-hand side is for content and for functions. So we've got, okay, this is it, the Strokes. First ever vinyl edition of the Strokes. It includes New York City Cops. Okay, so this is a deluxe edition, cool. And it is the debut VMP rock record of the month for July 20. Here's an exclusive 180 gram blue and orange vinyl. So it's a kind of limited edition vinyl. Okay, that is, I understand that now. You can't get this vinyl anywhere else, only through VMP. Start your membership with This Is It by the Strokes. Monthly options available at no commitment, cancel anytime. Want to purchase the record without joining the club? Join the standby list to be notified if there's any leftover stock to purchase. Now, that's a powerful driver. It's like, listen, this thing sells out. You can join the wait list if you don't want to sign up, if there's any left. But this is exclusivity, one of a kind. That needs to be front and center in the headers and in the positioning, because this piece is really, really important. But this is the point of the brand and the point of this particular product. So, okay, so now I understand that if I click join the club, if I go for just a monthly subscription, I get $46 billed every month, cancel anytime. Okay. I can sign up for 3 months, get 3 records, $128. So I don't hate this particular piece, although I do wish they explained the discount per piece, basically the differences between the plans a little more. So I understand. So okay, save $40 per year. Let's say I'm an international. So long story short, but I do like this selector between international and USA. Great call. But I wish there was more incentive than just dollar savings. Like, they've got so much cool exclusive access. Maybe they would give me a little bit more exclusive, a little bit more for paying 4 times. I can pay $40 or I can pay $450 right now. That's the decision I'm making. And I wish there was a little more than just the savings. And I think we'll see brands come around to this. So let's say 3 months. I like the popular best value, but I just want to go month to month, and I want to see what else am I going to get on the international upcoming, on the next order or on the next month and then the month after that. So let's say try 1 month for $46. Now, Vinyl Me Please actually goes into take a whole bunch of basically a very custom flow to collect my info and create an account at the same time, which I think is clever. But overall, though, on the sign-up experience, lacking on the brand clarity. They have such a cool brand, such a big shame. The design of this website is overwhelming. It's probably, I don't know if the growth is, not a focus, but lots to take away. Okay, cheers.